So I'm here with Sue with a 65 T-Bird. She brought the car into us. It was actually a really nice car to begin with. And it started off as a cosmetic restoration. So we started taking the car apart and we saw some bubbles. And then lo and behold, there was a bunch of rust on the rockers. And from a cosmetic restoration, it turned into a not a full-blown restoration, but pretty much a big restoration, much bigger than we anticipated. But we got it back together. As you can see, it came beautiful. Sue, how was your experience with us?
It was excellent, Gene. I have to say that you guys, you and your staff has become my new dream team for automotive restoration. You kept us informed the whole time. You posted great pictures and kept me in the loop 100% all the time. You allowed me to come and visit the car.
It was my pleasure.
And I appreciate all the effort you put in. I gave you a 2-month window to do all this work. You pulled it out through, and I'm ready for cruise season.
Awesome, awesome. I really appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you too also for the great job you did on the car, and also for doing a good job with Susan and not take advantage of her.
Right.
There is a woman. A
Right.
lot of people they do take advantage in this normal industry.
Right.
What happens? But in this case, you were very professional,
And
very
honest.
accommodated,
Yep.
and very honest, and I truly appreciate
It's
it.
my pleasure. And like I said to Sue, we're going to be friends for the rest of our lives now.
That's right.
And that's what happens in the car world.
Yeah.
Get friends for the rest of your life.
That's
and
right.
these guys are my friends for the rest of their life. So thank you.
Awesome.
Appreciate it, guys.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank
Yeah,
you,
yeah,
Gene.
yeah.
Give me a hug.